So I thought I'd try and recreate one of my most popular videos from 2022 that went slightly wrong when I got a yeast bomb instead of alcoholic ginger beer. So here I am putting some sugar into the bowl, putting some ginger into the bowl, boiling that baby up. And the key difference this time is that instead of using Edmonds baking yeast, I'm going full brewer and using Brewmaster champagne cider yeast, and see if that makes a difference. And it was about at this point where things started to go wrong. I just went the full Monty and put all the yeast into both bottles, and on the second day this is what started happening. So day 9, time to buy the bullet and see what was going on inside. Have a listen to this. And oh whoops, there it goes. Okay.
Time to see. There's a lot of sediment in there, so time to see whether I think it has done. Oh wow! It kind of tastes like dish powder. Okay, I've taken some of the sediment out. I'm gonna have another go. All right, let's have another go.
It was at this point of waxing lyrical I realised it was time to just put it all away and wait another week. And here we go. Oh, and there she goes again. Okay. For shortly after this scene, I sat down in my lounge, relaxed on my beanbag, and started feeling just a little bit relaxed. So the overall goal, which was to get something vaguely alcoholic, did seem to work.